This is a video on how to make a simple board. Oh, a whiteboard. Now to make this whiteboard is very simple to make. You need the pen. Okay, this sounds hard, but it doesn't. Now create a spray and keep it blank. And let's call this pen. This is the pen. When green flag clicked, erase all, pen up and go to XY. No, we don't want that. We want it to go to mouse pointer. And then we'll add a forever. Now here you'll just go to set pen color to 0. To 0, yeah, you can choose that. Now we'll want to set pen size to what else? 5. Now if thens. These are rather simple, but let's see what we can do with what we have without these. What is wrong? We need to put a pen down. Pen up means you stop drawing. Pen down means you start drawing. Would this work? I mean, it's not working somehow. I wonder why. Now let's hope we can find a way to do this. After setting pen size, let's add this and then pen down. Right. Let's see what this does for me. Oh, wait. Oh, yes, we got it working. Now you have a crazy, insane whiteboard. Well, that's the end, and hold up, slow. We have not finished. We still want to make sure we can increase and decrease the pen size. Now, here, let's add some key up arrow and key down arrow. Now you want to now the simple solution to this is to change our pen size by 1. And change pen size by -1. Wait, I don't get it. Something's wrong. I mean, the original project I made worked. Here, I'll show you. Here is the project, and here I'll show you. Yeah. So here is what this looks like. And you can change it to a whopping big color. Wait. Hmm. So something's wrong here. Could it be?
We're good. We just got done with one inspection, so we have a bit of a breather.
Right.
So I'm very happy. Yeah. How's your girlfriend, by the way? Very good, very good.
Now let's see what we have. Now let's see. Let's see. To change pen size. This is so giant. Oh, wow. Okay, I believe you need to end early. Till next time, and until I can figure out why it's not working, and bye-bye.